In this video, you will learn how to use LLMs to create accessible PDFs. Here we see a highly inaccessible PDF. This file is difficult to read, unsearchable, and overall just terrible. We can use LLMs to quickly turn this inaccessible document into an accessible one. In this example, I will be using Google Gemini, but you can achieve similar results with other models like ChatGPT, Llama, and DeepSeek. I began by uploading my PDF to the model. Next, I turned on Canvas mode, which is available in most modern LLMs. After that, I developed my prompt. This is the tricky part, but a prompt like this one should serve you well even if you find it requires some tinkering. The trick is to tell the model to use Markdown, specify WCAG standards, and ensure it sticks to the text verbatim. After a few moments, it generates a document for us with proper formatting. It even handles tricky elements like tables. Do note, though, that it cannot do images for us. If your document has images, you'll need to reinsert those manually in the next step. To turn this document into a PDF, we will go to Share and Export, then select Export to Docs. This creates a new Google Doc for us. At this stage, we can reinsert any images you need. To export as a PDF, we'll go to File, Download, and select PDF Document. Next, we open the document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. In the All Tools section, select View More, then Prepare for Accessibility. Then select Automatically Tag PDF to automatically create the necessary tags. As you can see, the document is now formatted. The final step is to run an accessibility check. The accessibility checker finds no issues with the document. Now we can save our newly accessible text. And with that, we are done. In this video, you learned to use LLMs and Adobe Acrobat to rapidly create accessible documents from even very rough sources. The basic workflow is to upload the document to an LLM, prompt it correctly, export to Google Docs or similar, generate tags in Acrobat, check the accessibility report, and finally save. CTAT hopes you find this workflow helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out.